Hi everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing for you today for November. It's from SugarMuses, but it's their Midnight Muses for November. I'm excited. Our theme is rune casting. That is cool. Rune casting. And her paper is just beautiful. There's a rune in it. Can you see the rune? Oh, it's so cool. Alright, I'll go over the info last because we gotta look at the pretties. This is what it looks like. Always beautiful. So our first is this beautiful art card. Wow, very pretty. Right? And then our second is beautiful. I love this. This might even put in a picture frame, actually. And then, it's here behind me, we have an oracle card. I got this in another box. I don't know if there's... Maybe Sacred Space Crate? I can't remember. But we got the same oracle, the Norse oracle card. This one's different, though, for me. Reflection I got. And then this is the pretty setup. It smells delicious. So first off, we have a beautifully tied bow, gray sachet. Hey, Bibby. Where were you hiding? Where was you hiding? I didn't see you. We have a rainbow, or you call it titanium, I think. Hematite. It's pretty, isn't it? Then, guys, we have this one here. One of these days, I'll get the magic place done, and you guys will be able to see more videos in there. Vulva. And I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong, but we have a beautiful essential perfume blend. And then we have beautiful incense sticks. These smell so good. I gotta find out what that is. We got our little magical bottles. And the bottles, this one is divination. We have a divination blend here. People are doing their lawns. Our casting salts. And our last is lavender. So those are our blends. We have Rune Circle, Botanical Candle. Hey, cute little travel size. What? I know. Ooh, pretty. What? She's a loud one, huh? So we got that. Nice travel size, guys, too. Then we got tea. Chai Harvest is our tea. It's a hearty blend. And we have reusable, not reusable, these are throwaway tea bags. And our last item is going to be runes. I'm assuming in this beautiful blue cloth. Let's see what we got. Ooh. These are, I'm going to call these maybe, they're not real bone, but I think that's what they're supposed to be. Maybe they're resin. And you got all your different runes. There are lots of runes here. Let me see if I can give you a little picture of that. Yeah, so we got lots of runes. Now I got them all over my box. Okay, and let's go over our paper. November is a time for reflecting and giving thanks. The energy of the month activates the root and sacral chakra to help ground us as we reflect on the past year. Now is the time to start envisioning our goals for 2023. And the Sagittarius new moon on November 23rd is an excellent time for us to set intentions for the upcoming year. With the thinning of the veil, November is still a good time to seek guidance and for all forms of divination. So, she makes a ritual with the items. You don't have to, but you can use them the way here or any way you wish to. First item is the divination incense sticks. This is for an ideal state of mind for magic, both focused and relaxed. Incense represents the element of air as well as fire. This incense can be used to promote protection, peace, and clairvoyance. I know, you're right here. I know. Then we got the vulva ritual oil. And that is... what's that made from? Okay. All our oils contain essential oils, resins, plants, extracts, and absolutes. Of course, it's been magical properties blended. This one has therapeutic grade essential oils of orange, cedarwood, ambrite. I think that's what it's saying. Can be worn as a perfume or carry your magical intentions throughout the day and night, or you can anoint your candles and your items. Then we have our casting salts. We have our lavender, which is good for relaxation. Lavender is used for spells relating to protection, meditation, peace, divination work, calming energies as well. Then divination mix is hand blended with dried jasmine for psychic protection, prophetic dreams, love, divination, and lunar magic. Lavender and cornflower for psychic awareness, self-knowledge, and divination. Our runic candle is hand poured with the soy wax scented citrus, fig, cedarwood, and amber, dressed with jasmine and blue cornflower. This is a hematite gemstone with the aura coating. The runes are created from resin. Then these are resin runes. Sorry, get these in there. The tea, where's our beautiful tea? For protection, grounding, and prosperity. The beautiful artwork that she does all the time. And the card is from, I'm going to Yggdrasil deck. And I butcher that every time. I do apologize. Okay. And I love the paperwork. And then she gives more stuff about here about the meanings of the runes as well, which is really nice. I think it's a lovely, lovely box, especially for November. I love everything. It blends really, really well. Her oils are always to die for. So let me put some on. Really good. So I'll leave you the information about the Midnight Muses down below. And look forward to the SugarMuses Deluxe coming soon. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching.